Hello, and welcome to my screencast on listing files in a directory. What do I mean by listing files in a directory? So let's say, for example, we have a folder. And inside this folder, there's a bunch of files. They can be named whatever, but for the sake of this demo, I'm calling them pleadings. And let's say that you would like to get a list of all the files in this folder and have that list be in Excel, or you want that list to be in Microsoft Word, or in a plain text file. You want to be able to have this text at your disposal, not sitting here attached to these files. So how do you do it? Well, first off, there's a lot of ways to do it. There's really simple software out there that will just jam this away and take care of your problem, no issue. But for this screencast, I'm going to teach you how to do it through your DOS prompt, because well, I like the DOS prompt. Okay, so let's get in there. Let's get into our DOS terminal. So you get there by typing in CMD, or you go start run, and then you type in CMD. So I'll do it. I'll type that in, CMD, and now you say OK. Oh, mine's kind of big here, so let me make it smaller. Clear that. Oop. Okay, cool. So now you can see it here. I'm in my DOS prompt. So for this screencast, we're gonna use two different commands at the prompt. The first command is to change the directory. So remember, our files we want to see are in C:/demo. Okay? So at my DOS prompt, I'm going to type in, pardon me there, cd demo. The cd thing here, that's a command, and it's saying change directory. And then you're saying change it to demo. So if I'll hit enter, there we go. I'm now in the demo directory in my C drive. Now the second command. This is as advanced as this screencast is going to go. It's the dir command. And what this command does is it gives you a list of everything in the directory. So let's run it. Cool. Right. We're getting somewhere. In DOS, we can now read the files in the directory the same way we can read them in Windows Explorer. But again, how do we get these guys? I can't drag my mouse over them or get this text so that I can put it into my spreadsheet. Well, that's because we need to pipe the output of our directory command. Sounds kind of funny, doesn't it? So here, you can just follow along. I'll try as best I can to explain this. So we go back to our directory command, that dir command here, which we did up there, and now we're just gonna say make it basic. If you go /b, it says make it basic. So it's gonna strip out all of this, like the date and the size, and it's gonna just make it really basic. Actually, in fact, here, let me run that command so you can see. Oh, whoops. I think it's /b. That was, yeah, yeah. Sorry about that. Not /b, it's /b. So if you type in dir /b, it gives us just the names of the files we're interested in, which is good because this is leading us on our way to getting these into something like Excel. So again, I'm going to type in dir /b, but now instead of outputting to the terminal, I'm going to output to a text file. What does that mean? So I'm going to type in this greater than sign, and all that this greater than sign means is instead of sending your output from the dir /b onto the terminal, send this output somewhere else. And I'm saying send this output to index of files.txt. So I'm going to make a file here called indexoffiles.txt, and hopefully, if this all works right, these files are going to be in this text file. So let's hit enter. Silence is acceptance. All right, let's go back to our demo folder. Ah, perfect. So now you see we now have this text file here that says index of files.txt. And if I double click on that, oh, it's going to probably open my crazy text editor. Oh, actually, yeah, let me open this. I'm going to just keep this real basic. I'm going to just right click and open with Notepad, the most, low-level, bare-bones text editor. So let's click Notepad here, and let me bring this into view. And there we go. We have index of file. Let's just delete that because we don't want that. That's the name of this guy. But now you can see we have all of our pleadings here, or all of our file names here, and we can take this and edit and copy it. And let me start up Excel. Hoy vey. Gotta bring this back into view here. Please wait while we register servers. And sorry about this. Excel is here. And now we can go into Excel. If this cool. Oh, there we go. Edit, paste. Cool. Yeah, so this is how you would make a listing of files in a directory. Thank you very much, and have a great day.